Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. My apologies for the lack of videos lately. Work has just been crazy busy and keep me really busy with a lot of hours. But I wanted to make the announcement that I'm going to be attending Blade Show West October 6th and 7th, Saturday, Sunday, coming in Portland. I'll put a link to the description down below for all the details, and if you see me walking around Saturday, come say hello. So, as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.